Good morning guys and welcome back to the channel. We are in Aarhus today in Denmark. The city is right there behind me. We should have a free shuttle bus service down to the city because it's not really walkable. We're in the middle of a freight port, so they should bring us to the town. I see a beautiful church right in front of me, so we're gonna go take a look what we find, but first we need to find ourselves some breakfast. So let's get this day started. Alright guys, I don't know if you can hear me over the hot tub bubbles, but we've made it back on board. We had a rather quick visit in Aarhus. It was a big city, there was lots to see, but it was not our favorite port so far, but it was nice to have a look around. There were wonderful churches, nice old buildings, and then the canal ran through the town. And we had a wonderful welcome. They gave the local rye bread as a little sample when you walked off the bus, and they welcomed you to the city. So that was really good. And if you really wanted to do some walking around and exploring, they had like ask me people at all of the stop signs pretty much when you walked into the city. So it's a very tourist friendly place in that sense that there was no way you could get lost, and the people were very helpful to give you tips of what to see, especially if you had something more specific in mind. But we are now on board and we will enjoy the rest of the day here, our last day on board sadly, but let's see what we still get up to today. Alright, we're back from the pool. We just ordered some room service to have a quick lunch in the room while we pack. I hate that it's the last day and we have to think about packing, but we need to get this beautiful suite all packed up so we don't forget anything when we need to leave the ship tomorrow morning. So it's the perfect time to just do a quick lunch in the room and then enjoy the rest of the day that we still have left. It's around 2 in the afternoon right now, so we still have plenty of fun stuff in store for the rest of today. So yeah, lunch and then packing. right, hi guys. It is unfortunately the very last few hours of our last day on board Voyager of the Seas. We have had an amazing time on board. We had the perfect end to the cruise. We went to Chops. We had a fantastic dinner. Oh, I am so full. Then we still went to say goodbye to all of the lovely crew that we've met on board during this cruise. We had to say goodbye to the guys in Giovanni's because we didn't make it there tonight since we chose Chops. And then we had to say goodbye to all the great guys in Schooner Bar who have really taken care of us during this cruise. And I wish we still had a few extra hours to maybe do one last dip in the hot tub, one last slice of pizza, I don't know, one last of everything, because it's just so amazing to be back on board. We were blessed to be on board for 16 days and it has gone by so fast, but it has just been really great to be on board. We've had so much fun. It's been great to have my husband's parents on board with us for the second half of our cruise. And all around, just a great experience, and I can't wait until our next one later this year. But for now, I have to say goodbye to you guys with the vlogs. I have a lot of great content coming your way, so please stay tuned. But thank you for joining me on the Voyager of the Seas daily vlogs, and I will see you on the channel next time. Bye.
About to leave, already packing, come with me. I'm not really asking, we'll get away to a place where we don't know.